Welcome DKP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. 4,000 plus papers, nearly 400 repos. Sounds impressive, right? Like a digital mountain of brilliance. But here's the kicker. Most of it is just scattered pebbles. Isolated, hard to find the real gems, and definitely not building anything anyone else can actually use or verify. The red flag is screaming, stop this fragmentation. We need something solid. So how do we turn this digital mess into something useful? It's not magic, it's strategy. Think of it like alchemy, but for research. First, take all those scattered projects, the portfolio, and forge them into just 4 powerful flagships. These aren't just bigger projects, they're the core engines. Then make each flagship a benchmark, a clear, reproducible standard others can actually use. Next step? Encourage independent replication. Let people try it out, break it, improve it. That's where the real truth lies. Finally, if it passes the test, it becomes a standard or reusable infrastructure. See the flow? Portfolio to flagship to benchmark to replication to standard/reuse. It's about moving from noise to signal, from visibility to verifiable impact. Okay, let's meet the stars of our show, the 4 flagship programs. Think of them as specialized teams tackling the big questions. First up, P0, Consciousness Evidence and Anti-Mimicry. This is about proving consciousness without just mimicking humans, using tools like Conscope and Origin. Then, Reconstructive Memory and Causal World Models. This deals with how memory works and building models of reality that learn and adapt, like MicroOSM 92. Next, another P1, Semantic Mathematics and Verifiable Proof. This is about making math proofs machine-checkable and trustworthy. And finally, P2, Public Interest AI and Cognitive Sovereignty. This focuses on AI that respects human control and rights using systems like Mintbot. All these powerhouses sit on top of a shared foundation, the runtime commons, ensuring they talk the same language and can work together seamlessly. How do we know if this transformation is working? Forget citation counts and repository stars for a second. Those are vanity metrics. The real scorecard looks different. We're counting independent replications. How many times has someone else built upon or broken our work? External contributors are new people joining the effort. Benchmark submissions are other systems actually using our standards. Accurate citations are people pointing to the right canonical versions. And crucially, standards adoption are institutions actually implementing our protocols. These are the metrics that matter. They prove impact, not just activity. The anti-metrics, raw numbers of papers and repos, unverified prestige lists, those are just smoke and mirrors. So, what's next? The timing is perfect. Major funding calls like the NSFC's Non-Consensus Program on Consciousness, global pushes for open-source AI collaboration, and even stricter research integrity rules all create windows of opportunity. But there's a huge risk too. If we don't consolidate, we'll overwhelm the community and lose trust. The action plan is clear. Stop creating new isolated bits, merge the old ones, freeze key versions, actively invite critics, and crucially, publish failures openly. The goal isn't just another prolific researcher title. It's becoming the architect of the first open, reproducible global infrastructure for tackling complex problems like artificial consciousness. That's the vision. Let's build it.